Hi friends, in the last video we created this wonderful website for a creative agency or digital agency. Now I have a requirement that I need to add the review or feedback form or interactive feedback form at least to collect the reviews from my customers, my users on this website. How I can do this? So you might be thinking there might be a plugin and we can directly use that. Yes, we can use a plugin of course, but sometimes we may not willing to add plugin at our installations. Like this is a very fresh installation and we have this website using this installation, and I'll show you the plugins first of all. So you may watch the complete video. So these are the plugin list. There are already 11 plugins has been used, and I don't want to use one more plugin just for adding the review or feedback form at this website. So what is the solution? I found a very simple solution in form of HTML. Yes, you heard right. In a WordPress website, I am going to use a HTML sign up or multi-purpose form you can say, and I am going to use this form for collecting the customer reviews or feedback. So this is the layout of the form. It is looking very interactive and we can completely change the background and also things as and where required. So I'll show you the form. In the first step, we can collect some basic reviews. We can change these texts as well as per our requirement. In the step 2, we can get some comments, like this is comments, and in the third step we can also collect the personal information of reviewer or the feedback, who is giving the feedback on maybe the customer or the visitor of the website. But this form is in HTML and it is not a plugin. So as I said, I'm not willing to use any more plugin, any additional plugin for this website for adding the feature of review or feedback on this website. So I'm going to use this HTML feature feedback or a review system. So there might be several options in this HTML as well. So we can use this form for registration, simple registration. You can collect the basic details of visitors, like this is the registration form, first name, and in the second step address can be collected. In the third step messages can be collected. Similarly, we have more form like reservation. If it is a hotel website or appointment booking website, we can use this form, the HTML form that I am going to use. So this form can be used for reservations, like this, the date and the check-in, check-out details, like hotel reservation or resort reservation. And further, in the second step, personal info and the message can be collected. More formats like questionnaire version, just in case if you want to ask some question from your website visitors, your existing customers, you can have this questionnaire version as well. All is included in a single HTML bundle. So I'm going to show you everything. So in the satisfaction or the profile or the personal info, all can be used. So like this is a very, very useful form, and you can collect the necessary information from your website visitors or customers or whosoever may have this link. So the form is coming with a link, and that will be available at our website of course. And next I can see this is the review version is of course here. So we are going to use this form for review. You can use the form that is available for in HTML format. You can use for registration, reservation, questionnaire, or review. So 4 options are here, and you might be wondering how we can add this HTML form in our WordPress website. So this is our WordPress website. Process is very simple. First of all, you need this HTML form. So this is Mastenia sign up and multi-purpose form wizard, and it is available at themeforest.net itself through the link given in the video description, just for $29. So you can follow the video description link, buy the HTML pack that I shown you, and it had been developed by the Mastenia. Okay, they are elite author, and it is of course updated one. So Mastenia is an HTML5 site template. It is not a WordPress plugin. It is not a WordPress theme. I must tell you, it is HTML5 site template. Every type of company can create registration, reservation, questionnaire, or review wizard in order to catch some potential customer of useful data like contacts, trend, and answer or question. So it comes with a nice UI UX from the elements design, radio checkbox and select. So you can read all these details. I'm going to add this link so that you may buy the HTML form through the link given in the video description. But yes, I'm also going to show you how you can simply integrate this HTML form with your WordPress website. So this is our WordPress website. We have this dashboard and we have this control panel for controlling the all uploaded files. So the website URL is instance 21. I'll go directly to the instance 21 through the file manager, and in the root, this is the root where all contents of WordPress website is available. And this is the Mastenia files that is that I added through the theme forest from the downloads. And this is the HTML version where all the contents are here, and we can simply edit the requirements like form background, form text, wherever is required. So I believe you can do all these things. Just in case if you need any support, we are here. You write in the comment section. I'm first showing you how you can simply upload the part of this form. So the HTML folder is here. You can change the folder just in case if you need to keep it as something else like review. So URL is going to be according to the folder name that you are keeping. So I'm keeping it HTML. So just I'm going to compress this so that we may use this for upload purpose. And simply on the root directory, you have to upload the folder that I shown you. So simply click on upload, and here we need to select the file, and zip version can be used. If you are using FTP uploader, you can upload the open folder as well. So I'm using the zip one, and it takes 1 second. So simply come back and extract the uploaded file. Okay, it is going to be so simple, and we have now HTML folder here, and just delete this zip one. It is not required now. Now I'll simply open the website again, and we'll check the validation. We'll check if it is working fine. HTML. Okay, it is so simple. It is here now. So I did nothing. No technical knowledge is required here as of now, and I got all the forms as I shown you in the demo. So here is the forms, and here is the review version. Now you might be thinking how the mail will come, how the mailing system can be integrated, and how we can edit the contents, like if we want to edit the content. So it is very simple. The HTML URL is here. So HTML review version.html. So we can simply go to the files again, and this is the HTML, and we can directly jump to the version that we are using. Like if we are using review version, we can simply open this, and you can use any text editor. So I am using the Linux machine, so I am using Atom, but you can use simple Notepad text editor. So I'll select the text editor simply, and it will open all the contents, and you can simply change the text that is here. So just keep in mind, you should not disturb the basic codes of this HTML. So you can change the text, of course, using this text editor, and further you can save the text. So it is better idea, just in case, like if we are willing to change this text, and it can be simply edited here. So it is all available, and you just need to select the requisite file, and you can edit using HTML editor or the Notepad. Or I was talking about the best idea that you can use. Simply go to the file manager that you have. You can go to the respective file, and you can go directly to the file. This is review version, and you can use the editor option. So this is edit option, and you can edit the contents directly from your hosting. So you can change the text here as well, and the line of text is here, and you can simply find the text that you want to edit. So this is the text that we can edit or wherever is required. It is going to be so simple. Editing HTML files are not a thing of technical knowledge. You can simply change the contents, and you can change the background, all the things that you need. Now the next question, how the mail system will work. So since we have this form now at our website, and it also contains the personal info, and finally we have to get all these details at our mail. So as an administrator, this is paste, and the next is here. So the customer email is here, and we can simply go to the visitors will fill all the details, but how the mail will come to us. So what you have to do at the next level, you just need to edit the mail functions. So what I'll show you, so PHP mailer, since we are using the WordPress interface, so we have to change the PHP mailer screen. So this is the screen, and if we are using the version, review version or registration version, so it is totally what we are using. Like you can use the PHP mailer.php. Further, you can edit the PHP mailers and all such contents. Like this is the contents, and you can change the credentials here, like SMTP, or like you have to set all the things. If you are using the review, you have to change the review underscore PHP mailer. So you can change your email ID, set it from, and you can change the message and the mail address, or the reply to options and message from Mastenia. You can of course change all these things. So this is the email setting that you need to do. And if again you are thinking like SMTP details, where you can put the SMTP details, so you can change the SMTP details here. Of course, you need to have the SMTP details from your email provider and the email service that you are using. You have to use a valid email address, like this is SMTP mailer, PHP mailer is here. You can check the details, and you can send the SMTP username, SMTP password here. So it is really very important to change all the mail credentials like SMTP server, and further you have to change the SMTP user and SMTP passwords and all things. And if you are still not sure how you can do this, and you need to watch this video again and again for doing these things, so it is not like so. You can simply go at the documentation part, and this is the documentation that is already available in this HTML pack. You can go through all these documents. It is looking like complicated, but it is going to be so simple. And as I said, we are here just in case if you need any support. You can simply write in the comment section or join the iCreate program. I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel, and you are already watching the videos that is available on this channel. So it is very simple, very effective way to add HTML forms at your WordPress website. So it is a solution, and it is available at the themeforest.net through the link given in the video description. I believe this is going to be really helpful when you want to add the function but don't want to use a plugin. So this is the solution. You can use HTML forms, HTML solutions at your WordPress website. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.